I'm Abhishek Nayak. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Appsmith.
I'm Mike Peach. I run marketing here at Appsmith.
Hey, I'm Nikhil. I'm the founder and chief product officer at Appsmith. I'm in charge of the product roadmap and what we build in the low-code platform.
Appsmith is really about helping businesses find efficiencies and productivity in the space that isn't served well by packaged applications or software solutions that exist today. Whether it's they've got a unique process that isn't well supported, they've got kind of a very specific pain point they're trying to address, or a set of data sources they're trying to consolidate somewhere. Everything that we're doing at Appsmith is really about helping people find those places and build a custom something relatively easily that unlocks a layer of efficiency that wasn't available before.
The companies that build the best internal software are the companies who are able to serve their customers faster, better, cheaper. Companies who do not invest in the right software are simply unable to automate all the things that is necessary to provide an amazing customer experience. They're constantly relying on people to get something done because they've not built the right process or the right software that can scale that process. So the best companies in the world, you will notice, they invest a lot in the tools that help their teams get work done. The best companies absolutely always have those good internal tools. And I'm hoping with something like Appsmith, more companies can access the best custom internal tools.
Today, most low-code tools are geared towards either static websites or towards simple CRUD applications. But I think with AI, we're seeing a need for more conversational interfaces that can give you intelligent responses, that can take actions, that can create rich automations that were not possible before, right? So I think the first shift is towards being able to enable a whole new class of applications. The second shift is where we see the introduction of copilots that build applications and generate code. And I think this is a big opportunity for low code as well, because most copilots today generate thousands of lines of code. And while it's really great to get up and running, it can be quite difficult to maintain and modify because it's pretty difficult to understand all of the code that was written. Whereas with low code, I see that there is an opportunity for AI to actually generate visual blocks that are easier to grok, modify, manage, and kind of understand in the long run. So I see that these are two big shifts that will happen in the low-code space.
So the nature of internal software itself is changing, and Appsmith is going to help people build those kind of AI-enabled internal software faster as well. I believe we're going to take away a lot of the boring pieces and the undifferentiated pieces of work that most people end up doing.
Really common use case that we see is people wanting to build sort of what we call a single pane of glass, where I take relevant bits of data and combine it from across the enterprise and combine it in a view so that I can answer questions quickly. What's going to change, or what's starting to change from an AI perspective, is the things that we used to take for granted as sort of default visual components are going to become more conversational.
So I'm really excited to help customers adapt the right kind of AI for the right kind of problems. I really think Appsmith can play a role in helping them choose the right places to apply AI so that they don't waste their time and they don't end up losing a lot of time on AI projects that will go nowhere. And that's the thing that I'm super excited about.
One of the reasons that most chatbots today are not very good is because they actually lack a lot of the internal data. So today, they might be trained on some knowledge bases, some files here and there, but enterprise data is really fragmented. It's really large, and it can be quite difficult to get it all into a single place. And it's also why Appsmith exists today.
I think we are living in such an incredibly exciting time right now. And it feels a little chaotic because we are sort of going through this amazing transition, this whole shift in computing paradigm. It's incredible to be in the middle of it and seeing it every day. what I'm excited to do is really play a part in helping enterprises harness AI for things that'll really move the needle for them.